Hi, it's Allison Waken here at Scrapbook.com, and today we are looking at the Wedding and Honeymoon Easy Album card packs. And these card packs come in 4x6 or 3x4 double-sided card packs. You can also get plain journaling card packs. There's, again, 4x6, and those ones come in vertical and horizontal in the pack, and there's 3x4. So the Wedding and Honeymoon card packs are all double-sided. The 4x6 card pack comes with 24 double-sided cards, and the cards are all different. They have pattern and some titles and pictures, and these are really great for weddings, maybe your wedding, maybe a wedding you attended, a honeymoon, a bridal shower, all that kind of stuff, anything having to do with weddings. Maybe anniversary you could even use it for. And there's a lot of great pictures on these. The cards are nice thick cardstock, and the colors are beautiful and would coordinate with any wedding theme. And then the 3x4 card pack comes with 12 double-sided cards. And same thing, pattern and fun photos on each side. And these are great to use in smaller projects, cards, tags, as well as bigger scrapbooking projects or maybe crafting a gift. The colors coordinate really well with a lot of different things. Let's make a full 12x12 scrapbook page. So I have actually one of my wedding photos here that I wanted to scrapbook. And I'm going to use the cards as sort of layers on my scrapbook page, and they're really great for titles as well. You can cut them, you can tear them, you can leave them as is. I love them, like I said, as a good layer, and the colors in these packs work really well with a lot of different scrapbook supplies that you might already have in your stash. So I'm going to layer up some colors and patterns here on this page. Need a good stripe in here, I think. Pretty. And then the journal cards work really well on a lot of different scrapbook pages as well. Even if you just want to write a date or a quick note, I love having those available so that you can have a nice little white space to write or stamp in if you're using a lot of different patterns and textures on your page. So I'm going to hold these layers in place and just kind of move them up as I add some adhesive to my page. I like to hold my layers in place, otherwise I completely forget where I just had them. Sometimes I take pictures of pages too before I adhere them so I don't forget if I step up and walk away for a minute. So this is just a really simple, easy page, but it's fun to see the different ways you can layer up the cards in the card packs. So you can use them, cut them up, use them as journaling cards, like this side has kind of a journaling prompt, or just use the patterns in your page that you're working on. Here, that photo. And then we'll add a little title and a date. I'll use some of this fun sparkles on here. So super simple, but a great way to use up those cards that's something a little different than a regular pocket album. And that's it. So simple, easy, full-size scrapbook page using the card pack from the Easy Albums Wedding and Honeymoon set. Another project you could do, which this is one of my favorite types of projects, is make a little book. If you're hosting a wedding shower, you might want a little book to add the gifts, or maybe a book for people to, write in words for the bride. So you want a cute little notebook, and you can make it by using a pre-cut card. And I'm just going to fold all of the cards up, and we're going to line them up, and I'm just going to staple it all together. And then I will use some of the cards. This is a fun, different way to use some of those cards up. And they're already patterned and have some great titles, so they really require a lot less embellishment to make a project. Okay, so here's my book, and you can use it for whatever you want. And we're just gonna add a little embellishment to the front. So I'm gonna use one of these 3x4 cards to add just a little something to the front of this book. Let's see, remember there's 2 sides, lots to choose from. You could even add some of these cards on the inside depending on how you're gonna use them. Love how it just coordinates easily with so many different papers and cards. We're gonna add that to the front. And then maybe a little glitter star or glitter heart here. Perfect. So just a really quick, easy little project using the cards, and it added a title without having to really do a lot of work layering and using alpha stickers and things like that. Okay, so the next project we are going to make is a card. You make a lot of cards around weddings. You want to put the gift in or just wish them the best or take it to a bridal shower. So for this card, this card that I'm choosing has a lot of different colors on it. So what I'm going to do is use the great neutral tones from this card kit to kind of mix it up just a little bit. So I'm going to add just a couple layers to the front and use one of the 3x4 cards to finish it off. So this is a 4x6 card here that I'm cutting and adhering to the front. Darkening up that pattern just a little bit. And then I'm going to choose one of these 3x4 cards to add. And then we will finish it off with just a little bit of string. So once you have that, you could fill out the inside, add your gift card, and then just to add a little bit of something different, tie a little string around the front. So you could always tie a bow and glue it on or something like that. I like to add different textures and patterns and things like that to a card. Super quick, super easy. There are so many different card packs to choose from depending on what projects you're working on. So think beyond the album and discover all the fun ways you can use these great cards.